Right now I want to show you how to make a plant-made burger, entirely organic and no additives, and of course entirely plant-based. So to start, I take our plant-made shreds and I put them into a mixing bowl. I simply add the spice and coloring and cold water and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And I stir the mix. After approximately 1 minute, practically all the liquid and color has been absorbed into the plant-made shreds. Then we can add our binder, which consists of natural starches and fibers. The stirring process is just a matter of few minutes. Initially we stir so that the liquid and color is absorbed into the shreds, and secondly we stir such that the binding starches and fibers are well distributed among the shreds. When we have a homogeneous mass here, I add the fat implementation in the product. In this case, I've taken some of our shreds and I have melted coconut oil and infused it into the shreds with vacuum. This is an excellent way to get fat into the product, but you can also use coconut oil flakes or other solid oil flakes such as shea butter or cocoa butter, or you can use a liquid oil. That, however, will influence the binding to be a little bit weaker, so that's why we prefer a solid fat when we implement it. But it's also possible to go with allergen-free seeds such as hemp seeds or sunflower seeds. Now we're ready to start shaping our plant-based burgers. And here we are, a plant-based organic burger. No additives, just pure nutrition and pure good flavor. Enjoy. There we are, our organic plant-based burger patty with nice texture and really good flavor. Nice bite, nice flavor. You can see examples of how to use our product range on our website for applications on www.plantmade.dk. There you can find inspiration videos which are both relevant for industry, large commercial kitchens and home use. I'll see you in the other videos.